Yes, you come to this page after clicking the link that bring you here. Yeah, I know you are here because you want to learn about pay-per-call affiliate marketing. Yeah, today I'm not gonna give you any clickbait or just say I make thousands of dollars. No, I'm not gonna tell you that. But I can guarantee you, if you are in a 9 to 5 job, you need an extra cash or a side hustle, this is the right business. This business model help you generate phone calls for some companies, and they will pay you anytime you make someone grab the phone and call them. Let me give you an example. Let's say someone just need a service like HVAC services. They just go on Google and type and find a phone number and call for the service. So they just call. But you, if you are the one that put this phone number on Google or on your blog or for any reason, the company for the phone calls will pay you. You will earn a commission because of the phone calls. You don't have to make anyone buy anything. It is why the best business, a business simple, no sales involved. So this training, you see the link below, you will learn step by step how to generate your first phone calls. Just imagine if you can generate 10 phone calls, 20 phone calls, 100 phone calls, whatever the amount that they're gonna pay you for each phone calls. Just imagine. So I will teach you how to use social media to bring these phone calls. I will show you how to use TikTok, how to use Instagram, Facebook, how to use even Craigslist. And in Facebook, I'm gonna show you how to use Facebook Marketplace to generate phone calls. And I will teach you step by step how to choose the network that's gonna pay you for each phone calls. Just imagine people are even need someone to move from a place to another place. So company are ready to pay you if you can make someone call in a phone number who need like moving services. There are some company that gonna pay you just to find people who need a lawyer, a carpenter, an electrician, or even pest control services. If you can bring someone that gonna bring you all these people to call them, they will pay you. Let me give you an example. Let's say you just create a TikTok account and you keep sharing videos about pest control, like pest exterminator, people that exterminate bugs, bed bugs, flies, mosquitoes, things like that. You keep sharing these videos, and on your bio you put the phone number to call. So the company that I'm gonna show you step by step and show you how to join them, they will give you a unique phone number that you can use and put it on your bio. Whenever someone calls, they're gonna pay you. They will pay you. People don't have to buy. You just make someone grab the phone number and make a phone calls. You make money. So as a disclaimer, results in this training are not typical. So it may vary, depend on the effort that you put and how you just use the training. So if you click on the link below, for today only, this training is only for $120. You get it today for $120. But let me tell you, the price will increase if you don't do what you're supposed to do right now. If you don't buy it right now, the price will increase. You will never find a training that explains you step by step how to start earning with pay-per-call like this one. I am the #1 about this subject all over the internet. You will find me, my face, my name, my channel. We are talking about pay-per-call, which is like a side hustle. You can add it to your extra cash business. It's gonna help you generate some extra cash for your family. So if you wanna join, click below on the buy button you see below to get access. Thank you. We will see you on the next page.